grab my stuff, guys, and my new thing, and let's go, guys! Kids Black History! Hello, guys! I'm Raya. Welcome back to another episode of Kids Black History! Today, guys, we're learning about amazing explorer. Look, I'm exploring, guys. But, guys, this is not just any old explorer where you try to buy some. This is a Arctic explorer.
Did you say an Arctic explorer, Raya?
Yes, I did.
What's that?
I'm going to tell you about an Arctic explorer. Before we get into this video, I need you to do one thing. Make sure you smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, subscribe! Welcome to the KidsBlack family. Well, guys, an Arctic explorer or a polar explorer is someone that explores land around the North or South Poles. Many years ago, the explorer would explore by foot or on dog sleds. What? A dog sled? How can they do a dog sled? This can be dangerous, guys, because there can be big crack in the ice where it can trap you. See? Trap. Even ships were dangerous. What? This was because floating ice could damage the ships. Eventually, the explorers use icebreaker ships, Dirigibles, snowmobiles, and airplanes. How did an airplane help? Wow.
So why would anyone want to explore the North or South Pole, Raya?
Well, guys, people have different reasons. Some people want to hunt whales or seals. Some people are looking for scientific information. Some people just wanted to be someone to explore the land that people didn't know much about. But those many people live near the Arctic Ocean. No one can live in the North or South Poles. Do you know why, guys? Well, guys, these are the coldest places on Earth. The South Pole is even colder than the North Pole. In winter, the North Pole is minus 40 degrees Celsius and the South Pole is minus 60 degrees Celsius. That is freezing, guys! The North Pole has dangerous ice and it's constantly moving, guys. Oh, I'm not going to listen to this. Basically, guys, it's just too cold there. It's freezing. Let's take a look at an Arctic explorer, guys. This explorer was an African-American explorer and was one of the first ever to get to the North Pole. He explored with Robert Peary and some Inuit people from the Arctic. In 1909, they made it to the North Pole after a 5-day march. They took dog sleds up to the North Pole, which is so dangerous. The African American that made it to the North Pole was Matthew Henson. He was born on August the 8th, 1866 in Maryland, America. At only 12 years old, Matthew Henson got a job on the ship as a captain boy. On the ship, Henson was taught how to navigate. He was also learning how to read and write. Later on, Henson got a job as a store clerk and met Robert Peary. Peary then hired Henson to work with him to explore. Matthew Henson built all of the sledges used in the expedition. He became fluent in the Inuit language and learned reach the North Pole, and it wasn't an easy journey to do, guys. But after hard work and perseverance, they made it, guys. Guys, I got a great idea. Let's take a trip to the North Pole like Matthew Henson. Grab your stuff, guys. Let me grab my stuff, guys, and my little thing. And let's go, guys. Right, guys, let's get to this North Pole. Whoa, it's really cold, guys. And we're just making it to the North Pole. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We almost made it, guys. Please don't slip us in the hill. Whoa, but I'm tight, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We made it! Yeah! Right, guys, let's head back to the studio, guys. So, if we want to get down there, hop in your sled and let's slide down the hill. Wow, what an awesome trip that was, guys. Did you have fun, guys? I definitely did. Today's lesson has taught us a billion things, guys. But one thing in particular, that we must have something called perseverance. It took Matthew Henson 8 attempts to get to the North Pole. If something doesn't work the first time around, you have to keep trying and trying, and then you'll be successful. Unfortunately, guys, we ran out of time, guys, and I hope you liked this video learning about amazing explorers. I hope you enjoyed this awesome episode of KidsBlackHistory, guys. And guys, make sure you smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video on KidsBlackHistory. And check out all our other videos like Rev Gun Play and our other episode of KidsBlackHistory. And I'll see you in the next